my vocal warm-ups. Alright, turn this off because y'all know how when you put on a lot of lip gloss and then focus please. Y'all know how when you put on a lot of lip gloss and then you get the talking and then your lips go like burp, 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 and then it creates that white stuff. Hate it. Hate it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ciani here, back with another video. And as y'all can see from the title, today I am going to be trying these viral, I guess, TikTok foods. I don't know, I just wanted to bring something different to my channel because I feel like I'm always doing like hair or like beauty related stuff. So, you know, just like, I'm just gonna try some stuff. So I bought some stuff from the store or whatever. I went to Target, my favorite store. And yeah, so we're gonna be trying 3 foods. We're gonna be trying the nature cereal, the pepper and taki combo with the cream cheese, and we're also gonna be trying raw cornstarch. Just like I'm just gonna be eating it out of the jar because this bitch right here,
y'all don't know nothing about this. Wait,
she swear that this is good, just raw. So I'm gonna try it. But I'm gonna try the cereal first, the nature cereal, because I feel like it's not gonna be as nasty, and I'm really scared because I don't like cream cheese. So we're gonna try the cereal first. I already have the ice and the strawberries. You're supposed to add ice, strawberries, and just like a bunch of different fruits. Boom, this is what we looking like. I know y'all see that ice in there. Why ice? I don't know. This is not bad. The coconut water is not bad. Everybody was like, ew. But this shit good. And y'all know, I'll be telling y'all how it is. I don't know why I keep doing that like it's hot. It's sweet. This is sweet as fuck. So if you don't like sweets, you're not gonna like this. This shit is super sweet. I mean, it is fruit. I would eat that. It's not bad. I'm gonna try this regularly just because I want to try it. That's not bad. So I'm gonna rate that. I rate that probably like a 4 or a 3 because it's literally just fruit. Just eat fruit. It should have never even went that viral. I don't know why that shit went viral. Y'all just be making anything go viral. But I rate that about a 4 because it's just fruit. And if you like strawberries or whatever you put inside, then you're gonna like it. You can barely taste the coconut water, especially if you get the one with pineapple in it, like I did. Numb to the pain. Say no. Alright, I'm gonna try the pepper joints. Alright, so boom, I got 2 peppers. I cut the insides out because that's what you're supposed to do. And you're supposed to put cream cheese and then you're supposed to stuff them with Takis. And I got Takis and I got hot Cheetos because I don't like Takis at all. These shits nasty as fuck. I don't know who eats Takis. If you eat Takis, bitch, ew. So I got some hot Cheetos too because I didn't want to really judge it based off of, you know, the Takis, because I don't like Takis. So I'm gonna try both of them, and maybe the hot Cheeto one is gonna be good. But yeah, I got some cream cheese and I don't like cream cheese. I really don't. So this should be interesting. A little ASMR. ASMR, huh? Got it. You put it in there like that. This is about to be nasty as fuck. I already know this is about to be nasty. Cause I don't like cream cheese or Takis. And I don't even eat these fucking jalapeno peppers. So I already know this shit is not gonna be bussin'. Is that enough? Make it enough. Alright. We got our two little joins. Now let's stuff them. The only reason why I don't like Takis is because they sour to me. Like, they're so sour. For what? And y'all really be eating these. Okay. Put it in the hole. Good job. We got boom. Some more Cheetos. Cheetos. I'm gonna really stuff this joint with hot Cheetos because I love me some hot Cheetos. And I'm trying to take away from the cream cheese flavor. I'm overstuffing it. Okay, boom. I'm gonna try to Takis first, okay? I need something just in case I gotta spit this out. I know I'm gonna spit it out. Ah, damn. What the fuck is this? Ew, what is this? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Ew, that's nasty. That's nasty because you can taste the Takis. I feel like if you like Takis, you probably gonna like that. Because the cream cheese, you can barely taste. And the pepper is not that bad. But them Takis, I just can't. That's why I was like, ooh, let me do a Wagyu. So let me cleanse my palate now. Okay. Alright, so that wasn't that bad. Ew. It was bad, but it wasn't that bad. I was expecting it to be just a little bit worse. This shit is hard as fuck to chew. God damn. God damn. How am I supposed to chew that? I'm never trying that again. That shit is nasty. Shout out to everybody who eat that shit, because the girl said she went to the hospital for eating too many of these, and she was eating them with Takis, and she was eating way too many, and she went to the hospital. Girl, how the hell and why the hell? I rate that, the Takis one, a 2 out of 10. The Hot Cheetos one, a 4 out of 10. Boom, we saved the best for last. Cornstarch. Cornstarchity starch. We got our utensil, we got our cornstarch. I'm scared. Girl, I be making oobleck with this. I used to make oobleck with this when I was a kid. And now I'm eating it raw. Let me do a little thumbnail. Ooh! Not me spilling this whole shit. I don't know if I can do this. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it on live, and I'm gonna try it. I'm about to go live on my spam right now. Because I need some people to be like, eat that shit, bitch. Hey y'all. So I'm filming a video right now. And I'm trying TikTok foods, bitch, and I'm about to try this. Scared to try this. I'm so scared. What if you really get addicted like people do? I know, because some people really get addicted to this. Okay. My strange addiction. Alright. I can't do this. Okay. I gotta do it for the video. Alright. I could have had it done and over with. Okay. Oh, ew! It's so dry. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. It's so dry. It's so dry, y'all. Like, I'm sorry. I don't mean to show y'all this, but I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. Ew. I'll be back, y'all. Alright, hey y'all. So I'm back on camera like 10 minutes later. What do I rate that? I rate that a 0 out of 10. That shit is so nasty. I don't get how that girl do that. And she be eating it too. She be eating this. She be tearing this shit up. She be tearing this up. She really be eating this. I thought it was going to be just an ounce of good. Like, maybe the taste is good, but the texture is bad. Maybe the texture is bad, but the taste... I mean... Y'all know what I'm trying to say. That shit got me fucked up. But this is just nasty all the way around. Like, the texture is bad. The taste is bad. Ew. Disgusting. If you're thinking about trying it, don't. Yeah, y'all. That's it for this video. If you want me to keep trying foods, or if you want me to keep, like, doing videos that's, like, outside of my element, I'm more into, like, beauty and hair tutorials and shit like that. But if y'all want me to do videos like this, then give this video a thumbs up so that I know that y'all like the content, and also comment down below what other videos y'all want me to I feel like I got white stuff all around me, but comment down below what other videos y'all want me to do. In the next video, if it's not a hair video, I will be waxing myself on camera, so stay tuned for that. If you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell thing so you can be notified whenever I upload, because y'all don't be getting y'all notifications. A lot of y'all was telling me that y'all don't be getting y'all notifications. And I was just like, huh?